It's Sunday morning and I finally have a morning to myself. My boyfriend took the baby out running errands, so I'm gonna get ready and it's gonna be nice and refreshing, and I'm gonna show you guys all the products that I like to use, that I love to use, and everything will be linked in the bottom of this video. If you like watching videos like this, please like and subscribe, and let's get ready. All right, so the first thing I need to do right now, I just get out of the shower, is to brush my hair. I love the Unbrush. It's so nice because it detangles my hair without hurting it. After I shower, for some reason, my hair is like so knotty. It's been like that for years and I don't really know why. But before I do the brushing, I love the Pattern Beauty's leave-in conditioner. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in my hand like this. What I like about this too is you can use it when your hair is dry. My son has extremely curly hair, so he uses that every morning. So as you can see, it's starting to easily brush through my hair, which is nice. And it smells so good. I actually got that on the TikTok shop for free. They sent it to me, so thank you guys so much. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and brush. Like I said, it's so easy to brush your hair with the Unbrush. By the way, I just got my first content creator video camera because I want to make a lot more YouTube videos. And I got the Sony ZV-1. What do you guys think of the quality? I love it. It's super easy to use. Love it so far. I think the quality is so good with the videos. Plus taking pictures, oh my goodness. I've been taking pictures of the baby and it's so much better than a regular phone. Oh, so this feels so nice. The Unbrush works instantly. Okay. Now that my hair is done, I need to remove my makeup from last night. I didn't remove my makeup. I just went right to bed. I was so tired. We went to Japan Inn, which is a hibachi place. It was so good. I love hibachi. So I love the micellar water. This stuff is really good. By the way, I have extremely sensitive skin. For a long time, it took me a really long time to find the right moisturizers, cleansers, and things like that for my face, because if I use something, almost instantly I would get really red. It would burn. I would literally have to take Benadryl because I was scared I was having an allergic reaction. I would get bumps and I would have like eczema all over my neck after I used products. But these products I'm using today are all really sensitive, skin friendly. All right, so I really like this makeup remover. It works instantly, and like I said, it doesn't hurt me at all. So I just put a little bit on these pads. I like to use these pads here. They're from Target, but you can get them anywhere. So just removing the makeup. I only had mascara on last night, so I'm just gonna remove that by my eyes. It feels so nice to like clean up, like do a full refresh. I like to use these flat claw clips because I like, when I drive in my car a lot, I like to rest my head. I don't know if you can see, I like to rest my head on the back seat, and I hate when my claw clip is just like in the way. So these flat claw clips are awesome. They were like $3.99 for a pack of 6, which was so cool. All right, so now that my hair is up, my hair is done, makeup is removed, I'm gonna start by putting my spring water. This is the Roche Posay's spring water. I don't know what they put in this stuff, but it feels like I'm in a literal spa. I don't know how to explain it. My son, he's 12. He even wants me to put it on his face every day. It's so funny. It just feels magical. I don't know how else to explain it. And it really hydrates my face. So after a shower, I just got out of the shower. My face feels so dry. But once I put this on, it feels so hydrated. So we're going to do that now. And I probably put more than I'm supposed to, but I can't help it. It just feels so good. So it's going to be dripping. I have to wait for this to dry before I do the next stuff. So in the meantime, I'll show you guys what I like to use. I like to use these clean towels because we have 5 kids, 4 of them are boys, and sometimes the towels are on the floor and I don't know what they've been used to wipe with. So I don't trust the towels. So I like to use these clean towels. Every time I get out of the shower, I wipe my face with a clean towel every time so that I know I'm not getting anything gross on my face. So these I got at Target, but you can also get them on Amazon or the TikTok shop. The next thing that I use is the Olay Super Serum. This stuff is so nice. I like to use it because it has 5 really super ingredients that makes your face super hydrated. I'm going to read you a little bit about it because I don't know how to explain it well. at the top of my head. So the Olay Super Serum is a powerful skincare product designed to target multiple skin concerns in one. It combines and blends of It combines a blend of peptides, niacinamide, and vitamin C to help improve skin texture and radiance. The serum works to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots for a more youthful look. How old do you guys think I am, by the way? It hydrates and smooths the skin, providing a healthy glow. This product is suitable for all skin types and can be used daily for long-term benefits. I'm still waiting on this to dry before I do my serum, but in the meantime, I'm going to use my deodorant. I love Saltair Seascape. It's 5% AHA serum deodorant. Has no aluminum in it. It smells so good. I feel like I'm at the beach. Even though I'm at home, I can still feel fresh and like I'm on vacation. So it's a plus. I got this on the TikTok shop. It's $12. And I really love the Saltair products. I have a bunch of their other products, like their sprays and their body washes. They're top of the line. I love it so much. So I am going to use the serum now. I think I am dry enough. I like to use like this. Just a little bit more. Oh, and I don't know if you can see it. It's like glittery, purplish, light pink. It's so cool. It does have a scent to it, which I was afraid of at first because I am, like I said, really allergic to things. And I was like, oh no, this stuff has like fragrance in it and I'm going to break out. But I actually didn't. So I'm really happy about it because I have used other serums and it doesn't make my skin feel as hydrated as this one. So while that dries, I'm going to tell you about the double moisturizer that I use. This is La Roche-Posay's Double Repair Face Moisturizer. I love anything La Roche-Posay. I honestly can't get enough of it. I've been using it for a good 2 to 3 years now, and I go and I always buy more at Target. But you can also get that on Amazon. You can get it on their website as well. Their stuff is really good. I highly recommend it. Their reviews are really good too, so it's a good company. So this is the moisturizer. It feels so good. So I had 2 kids in my early 20s, and then I had another one when I was 35, which is this year. Oh wait, no, that was last year. Oh my God, time flies, I swear. So if you were wondering how old I am 36. And this is my skin. I really started taking care of my skin really well at 30 years old. I wish I had done it sooner. So if you're watching this and you're in your 20s, keep going. Work it. Do the skincare because it really, really matters. I do think my skin does look pretty good for my age, but I think it's because I really, really try to do good skincare and use good products like the La Roche-Posay and getting my monthly facials. I go to VO Med Spa if you want to check them out. I have a $50 off coupon to check out their facials. They're so good. I get the Hydra facial, I get a regular facial, and then I also did this other thing. I'll put it in my comments because I'm not sure what it was called, but it like extracted all the bad stuff off my face and it felt so good. Oh, and another thing I like to do are the masks, the jelly mask. Oh my God, the collagen, I think it's called collagen peptide jelly mask. They're so good. I'm going to put you a little clip in this video so you guys can see what it's like. It was like $30 and it felt so good, and they rip it off and it's so satisfying. So after I am done with my moisturizer, I let it kind of soak in and then I'll do my makeup. I got a new foundation I'm really excited to try. It's the Anastasia foundation. I actually had my makeup professionally done about 2 weeks ago for my birthday dinner, and that was what they used and I really liked it. So I'm also going to do a review on that and actually make a video of me putting it on at the same time. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're still here, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm going to do a lot more videos now that I have my camera, and I can't wait for you guys to follow me on this journey. Bye.